In today's video, I will show you how to make these fall mason jars with real leaves from your backyard. You just need to pick your leaves, wash them, and lay them flat on a paper towel. Once they're all laid out flat, you will then cover them with another paper towel. You then just need to lay something heavy on top of them, like books or a piece of wood. After letting them sit for a few hours, you can get started with crafting. So I got these really cute pumpkin mason jars from Dollar General for $1. To start, you will need Mod Podge and just brush that onto your jar. I usually paint the whole side from top to bottom. Then you will place your leaf onto the Mod Podge. Depending on how big your leaf is, you may have to hold onto it until you start adding the Mod Podge on top of the leaf. Sometimes your leaf may try to move around on you or not stick well, so just brush over them gently. Try not to be too heavy with your Mod Podge. Smooth over any heavy built up white areas as it will take longer to dry. I picked a lot of leaves but didn't use several of them because they were too stiff or just weren't soft enough. I found the best leaves to use for this are more soft and flexible leaves. So this is how my jar looks once it's completely covered. A trick that I've learned is when it's almost dry, you can use a blow dryer set on low and go over the entire jar. This warms and softens the Mod Podge and leaves to where you can press gently over any edges that may not have laid down flat on your leaves. For the light, I'm using battery operated tea lights. You can use fairy lights as well. So here are both of my jars. One I created for a TikTok and YouTube short, so if you'd like to see that one being made as well, I will have that link down below. Here's the finished product. I love how warm and cozy they turned out. It's a really cute and affordable decor piece that you can make for only a few dollars. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.